Hello everyone, welcome to Trading with Fun. Since few months, many people have been asking me about Yesbank. Since it has fallen from 400-450 levels to almost 5 to 10 rupees, I keep getting many questions like I'm holding it from 400, can I continue to hold it? And some people will ask me like since it has fallen from 400, 200, 150 rupees, I bought it at that price. Is there any chance for it to recover and go to our buy price like this? And some others also ask me, it has fallen from 400 to 10 rupees now. So can we buy it at current price? Will it go to 100 rupees, 150 rupees so that we can make some big money from it like that? So I've decided to make one video on Yes Bank and clear some of these doubts here. So first, we'll look at the fundamentals, then we'll look at the technicals of the S bank. In the technicals, I'll explain along with the stop loss and the targets which might be possible in S bank. So, first, we'll look at some important fundamental changes which have happened and happening in S bank. So, I made a very small presentation on it on the future of S bank. So, let's see the first slide. So recently this thing has happened. Care rating has given an upgrade to the S Bank. Ratings of rupees 5,000 infra bonds have been upgraded from triple B to B with a stable outlook. So this is a very good thing since the bond ratings have been increased to triple B from B and the outlook is also stable now, and these bonds have also been removed from the credit watch list. So as for me, this is an important fundamental thing which has improved in the S bank. Let's look at some more points. So as we all know, our India's largest PSU bank, State Bank of India, has given a bailout package to Yes Bank. So they are now in a safe hands under State Bank of India. And the deposits have been grown by 29% in the last 6 months. And also, the management has indicated that deposits could be growing at 50% going forward in the futures. So, this indicates that the liquidity position in the S Bank is very much improving from here on. And also, the previous quarter results have seen a recovery of 900 crores. It's a very big amount. So, they're even getting the recoveries. And also, another good thing is they have started reducing the lending to stressed corporate accounts. So they're going safe and they're getting the recoveries and the deposits are also going. Various positive things. So these all show that the fundamentals of the bank are strong, they're improving. Asset quality is also improving. And the main difficulties which the bank has been facing for the last 6 to 9 months are slightly easing now, and the position is getting better for the S Bank. And one more thing, as we all know, or the people especially having the S Bank accounts might know that it's a good technology company as well. They have very good digital presence. Their net banking service and their applications are very good. So we can also see that many applications use the Yes Bank digital payment APIs. Like they have a market share of almost 40% in the UPI and have a market share of 17% in the other enabled payment services. So they have a decent market share in this digital things as well. But due to the recent turn of events, what the S Bank has been facing, many startups and other things are switching to ICICI Bank APIs from the S Bank to minimize their risks. But however, since Yesbank is already having a strong uphold in these APIs and the digital presence, it's worth monitoring if Yesbank can take benefit or capitalize on their strength and draft a turnaround story from these things. So these are the various and important fundamental points which I have researched on or I found over the internet and I've just compiled them into this presentation. So this from the fundamental side of SBank. Now let's look at it from the technical perspective. So this is the SBank weekly chart. So let me draw some simple trend lines. So if we can see, the stock has been stuck in a very long consolidation zone for the past almost August till December. That's almost for past 4 5 months. It has been stuck in this range, 10 to 15, 10, 15, 10, 15. It has been stuck in this zone. And finally, after including the S Bank into the MSCI, it saw some inflows from the FIIs and it made a big weekly candle here. And it came out of this consolidation zone. And the volumes are also pretty good. And it finally gave a breakout. So I feel it might go up till 30 at least. And if it manages to break this resistance zone of 30, then I feel, let me increase this time frame. If it manages to close above 30 on the weekly, then I feel it can go up to this level of 80. So the first target is 30, and if it manages to close above 30 or sustains above 30 on the weekly candle, then my next target will be 80. And what about the stop loss? So I'll mostly exit it if it goes below 12 rupees. So it's currently at 18. My target, first target is 30. Above that, 80. So going from 18 to 80 itself is a very big target, almost 4 to 4.5x. And my stop loss will be below 12. So these are my views on the S Bank both from the fundamental perspective as well as on the technical perspective. So hope I brought answers to these people who have been thinking about S Bank, what to do with it, how to go ahead with it. So my suggestion is, if any people are holding from 400 or 200, 150, 100 like that, then they can average a bit more at this price so that their overall average price comes down. And in case if it goes back to 75 or 80, they will be in profit. So this is one strategy, and those who are planning to buy, they can buy at current price and keep the stop loss below 12 as I said, and look for 30 first, 30 target, and if it goes beyond that, then 75 to 80 might be possible. So that's all friends, hope everyone liked this. If you like this video on the S Bank, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any further questions on S Bank, feel free to comment below the video. I'll definitely reply to them. If anyone wants to receive our stock updates during live market, they can follow our Telegram channel as well as they can follow us on the Twitter account. We'll be sharing many live trades during market on this Telegram and Twitter. Thank you.